Hey guys, today's video talks about how you can create a high-demand, high-traffic YouTube channel without ever showing your face or using your voice. In order to monetize any YouTube channel, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and an overall watch time of 4,000 hours. And while we've shown in past videos how that's definitely doable, it won't be instant. So as a bonus for today, along with teaching you about a profitable niche you can build a channel on, I will show you how you can make money from your own channel without YouTube monetization. I'm so excited to share this with you because when you do get monetized, this strategy will give you not just one, but 2 income streams. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. The specific kind of video that we want to create for this channel is workout music. There's a huge demand for this, and there aren't too many choices or channels doing this right now. They're also really easy to do, which I will show you in detail later. For now, let's take a look at 2 examples on YouTube. Here's the first one called Workout Music. The video featured on their homepage has already gotten close to 22 million views. Now, if you check their About page, you'll see that the videos on their channel have gotten close to 100 million views in total. Now, let's check them out on Social Blade just to see how much they're making. As you can see here, it says they make at least $1,000 a month, which I think is highly unlikely at the rate they're going, all the way up to $16.4 thousand per month, which is more probable considering how they have over 4 million views in the past 30 days alone. Now let's check this second channel out. It's called Workout Music Service. This channel actually has 1.42 million subscribers and earns up to $3,600 each month. It's also gotten over 900,000 views in the last 30 days. Now, the creators for both these channels don't ever show their faces or use their voices in any of the videos, yet they're able to make such great profit from these simple YouTube channels that use stock images and royalty-free music alone. I'll show you how you can do what they do, and I'll even tell you about this free but completely awesome editing software that I like to use. It doesn't matter if you've never edited a video in your life, this software is so beginner friendly that you can literally just drag and drop your clips to create masterpieces that you can use and post on your YouTube channel. So let me show you exactly how you can do that right now. The first thing that you'll need to look for is royalty-free music that you can use. And as far as free music is concerned, the best place to go and find what you need would also be on YouTube. On your YouTube account, you'll want to go to the icon on the upper right hand of the page and click on that, look for YouTube Studio. From there, you'll want to click on Audio Library, which you can find when you scroll down the left part of the page. So you'll see right here that it automatically says free music, and when you place your cursor over license type on any of the songs on this list, you'll see that it says you're free to use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. And this is wonderful because as you can see, there are thousands and thousands of music options just for you. So your only real job would be to select which one would work best for your workout video. Doing that is honestly really simple too because YouTube Studio's audio library has a filter option that you can use at your convenience. See right here, when you click on search or filter library right here, it shows you all of these options and you'll want to select genre or mood to find exactly what you need. So let's do that right now. Let's see here. I want to try something upbeat. So let me select hip hop and R&B as my genre. And let's try funky as the mood. Perfect. Now let's have a listen. As you just heard, these are the kinds of music that people do listen to as they work out, which makes them perfect for our workout videos. Now, as these are all free anyway, you can download as many as you want because here's another bonus tip for you. You'll want your videos to be on the longer side for 2 reasons. The first is so that the listener doesn't have to keep changing tracks or videos or looking for new music. And the second is that it lets you place more ads in the video, which gives you a higher earning potential as well. So now that you've selected a few songs, you can download them by simply clicking on this download button, which is right below where it says date added. And once you have a couple of music options that you're happy with, we can now move on to step 2, which is to look for stock images or even stock videos if you prefer on 2 free platforms that I like to use, pexels.com. Simply type a keyword such as fitness or gym or even workout, and you'll see the page populate with all these images that you can again use for free. In my opinion, you don't really need videos for this kind of channel because similar to what we saw in both examples earlier, pictures work fine as long as they're shown together with the music, but I'll leave that up to you. If you find a good video that you want to use, then do feel free to download that as well. Which then brings us to step 3, working on that video. Now don't let that scare you. This is really more dragging and dropping rather than actual video editing. And we can do it with this free software that you can find on openshot.org. Once you've downloaded that free tool, it's time to create your video. And now for the 4th and final step, which is also the bonus I told you about earlier. It's a way to make money from your channel even before you get monetized on YouTube. And this can be done with the help of a site called kit.co. This website allows you to create shoppable collections of your favorite products grouped into kits so your followers can buy the tools that you can't live without. So it's basically a platform where you can create your own online store where in the place of merchandise you have affiliate links. Kit.co allows you to own a link where you can group multiple related products together so that instead of posting a ton of different affiliate links in your description box, you have just one. It looks more seamless, and at the same time, thousands of people will still be able to see, access, and purchase these things. Since we're doing a workout music channel, then you can go ahead and add links to items like workout gear, equipment, and add them all to your kit.co link so that these items can be accessed by your viewers and you can start earning from commissions even before making money from YouTube views. I hope you got a lot of value from today's content. As always, leaving a quick reminder for you to get started on this right away. Now is the best time to get this started. If you want more ideas, we have a ton of other ones on our channel, so do check those out as well. I'll be leaving links down below for you, so make sure you click on them after watching this one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and all of that other good stuff because it really does support our channel. Alrighty then, that's it for today. Take care. Signing off until the next one.